Finally, the top folding bike is the Eco-Trick Dolphin. This last one is possibly the best of both worlds, a standard bike as well as an e-bike. Due to its 20-inch wheel size and 4-inch thick fat wheel, the Eco-Trick Dolphin is great for off-road adventures as well as going to and from the city. Regardless of what you use it for, the Dolphin will provide you with an excellent battery, motor, and speed. With the 500-watt motor, the Dolphin can reach speeds up to 22 miles per hour. Additionally, it has 4 modes that change your experience. With pedal mode, it becomes a standard bicycle. Pedal assist mode lets the motor help you while pedaling. The full electric mode does exactly as it makes it sound, relying on the motor to do all the work for you. Furthermore, for the final mode, boost mode, the Eco-Trick Dolphin gives you that extra speed and power, but drains the battery very quickly. You'll particularly like that the 12.5 ampere-hour battery that will last roughly 23 miles before needing to be recharged. Furthermore, the battery is located just behind the seat bar, which makes the bike effectively compact when folded. The Eco-Trick Dolphin is made of alloy and weighs a total of 50 pounds. It is quite easy to carry and store once folded, and is simple to unfold once you get to your location. This is a brilliant folding bike for anyone who needs a versatile transport option around town to get to work or for more casual leisure rides on dirt trails. Its pros are, it has an excellent fat tire that allows for off-road use, it has a powerful motor that reaches speeds of at least 22 miles per hour, it has a decent battery that will last several hours before needing to be recharged, and it is incredibly compact, making it easy to move or store. However, the brakes need adjusting or they'll rub and screech while braking. What makes the Eco-Trick Dolphin such a reliable and comfortable e-bike is due to its excellent quality and powerful motor. It's recommended for anybody looking for a perfect blend of practicality and convenience. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.